Welcome to my web studio sketchbook channel. On this channel I will show you how to sketch characters and doodles, color them and create digital characters using pens, paper, markers, watercolors and an iPad. This is my channel logo web studio sketchbook with my cute poodle with pink highlights. On the right, some doodles to get started with and to get an idea how the fine liners and markers interact with the sketchbook paper. I drew a character based on my older sister when she was young. She loved milkshakes and a proud owner of cowboy boots. Or is it cowgirl boots now these days? I added more delicious snacks in there to give it a more girly vibes to it. These are the 5 markers I used. On this page I use a light board to transfer the main character and the smaller drawings to a thicker watercolor paper. A bit of see-through there. My favorite characters to draw are hybrid mermaids and seahorse characters. I start with one and let go of my fantasy. Ever seen a fish with a belly full of cats? On this page I asked my boyfriend to come up with some funny and weird characters. To name a few: digestive boxing, a penguin in a Superman outfit and a running nose. I called this page Doodlemania. He also came up with a surfing pineapple on a pizza slice and a chunk of cheese inhabited with mice. Doodles and donuts. Pink dripping juicy donuts start to get shape. The cowgirl donuts were born. Wow, that's a lot of pink see-through on this page. 2 bohemian hippie girls here. There you go, 3 cowgirl donuts dancing the French cancan. I wanted to use an American iconic line for my "Hello, is this the moon?" illustration. Check out my website webstudio.dosamigos.com for the illustration. A series of evil killer clown cookies. The Funny Man cookie. The next few are from the film Killer Clowns from Space, Rudy, Slim and Shorty cookies. This one is the Terrifier cookie and the new Pennywise cookie. Some testing with watercolors and fine liners. I bought skin tone markers off Amazon. I think they are quite dark on this type of paper. A small collection of dogs of Barcelona, World Power. Simple cartoon doggies colored with markers. A watercolor and thick fine liner illustration based on Greek mythology. Basically they are sea goats or Capricorns. A page full of dreadlock mermaids. I've got dreadlocks myself and when I swim, my dreadlocks are looking like thick growth in water, flowing in all directions. This is a t-shirt design I've done for the Good Bloke Outdoors YouTube channel. Boom chanka! It was a rough sketch that I watercolored. The final version is a bit different and sold on his website with the same name. These are my 3 mermaid kings. It's a mix of legend, culture and fantasy. I used 6 colors for them. This is me holding my pet bunny. I used 4 colors and a black fine liner. I used 3 different fine liners to draw these rabbits. Pen 1 is the thickest one, pen 2 was the one with the thinnest tip, and pen 3 was just about the average fine liner. On this page I wanted to test the skin tone markers on the Egyptian pharaohs. Look like an Egyptian. On this page I am testing some older markers I found and checking out color palettes and testing the Infinity pencil. I'm not sure about that one, to be honest. I started with this one and created a few more. It was stuck in my head for a while and now I've got them doodled in my sketchbook. I used colored pencils for the finishing touch. The last pages so far in my sketchbook are about the shooting polterfart illustration. Let's say it's an inside joke. It started as a simple sketch with colors. I thought, that could look so much better, and I created a proper illustration out of it. The next step was to transfer the illustration onto thicker watercolor paper using a light board. And voila, here is the full colored illustration. This is my sketchbook so far. What do you think about it? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video where I will draw a character on my iPad.